Nnamdi Kanu don send a strong message again to the people where they buy innocent people for inside Biafra land. He say he no want that buy as e be like this now. He say these people must agree for wetin they ask for, and na they go sit down for round table talk am as e go be. My people, I go play you the video as Nnamdi Kanu don send this message come outside again today. May you watch am before we come back and continue.
And everything, of course. And some of these soldiers, we are told, are also our people. Yes. Yes. And the family is now in mourning. Yes. So all the making of young widows is condemned in its entirety. I don't want it. I don't want anybody to die. Yes. We are fighting for freedom. Then how can we fight for them at the same time? It's not possible. We want people to be free. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more. We've suffered a lot in Africa. I don't know if you know that. Africans have suffered from slavery in Arabia to slavery in Europe to slavery in America. So I think we should focus our time and devote it towards making sure that this continent stands up to what God promised it is going to be. And that's why we're doing what we are doing.
Serbia, India with Pakistan, Uzbek, Bangladesh, so open a bassa, so they are natural move, I got no banya, Mahatria, I get fully on your cross. So I got yes. They will
head Barrister Nnamdi, one of the IPOP legal team. So actually, we are going to interview him once again.
June 19, 2024, being the latest adjourned case from the order. What transpired in court, we want to know, the Biafran family want to know as well.
Well, briefly, listen, what transpired in court today, we are not happy. There is still that very situation that we have been decrying from the very beginning, that Nnamdi Kanu is not going to get a fair trial. Do you understand? That is why we are raising several objections. And if he's not going to get a fair trial, there's not going to be any trial. So we have to stand on that to see whether there are other ways of settling this matter. This is where the Section 17 of the Federal High Court Act came in, because everybody is now looking at an impasse, at a stalemate, that the government is probably not even interested in trial. That is why they are blocking our access as counsel to Nnamdi Kanu. They are preparing. So I'll leave the floor to my colleague here, Nnamdi, to explain further to you.
Okay, thank you very much. Well, as you may have known before now, we've made several efforts to see Nnamdi Kanu on a neutral environment where there will be no box, no cameras watching us, nobody tapping our conversation. But it has always been frustrated by the state security services of Nigeria. You know, so because of this, we brought from 48 and from 49 to charge the Director General for contempt. But as you can see what transpired in court, it appears there's an overt protection of the Director General of the DSS. We feel strongly that contempt of court has been occasioned by those refusals, by the refusals of the Director General and his men to obey the orders of court. They have refused to allow lawyers, as ordered by court, to meet with Nnamdi Kanu as a team. They've refused to give us writing materials. They've refused us a bug-free environment until we brought from 48 and from 49 to cite them for contempt. Then immediately, just on Friday, only on Friday, they now say, oh yeah, 3 of you can enter. Oh yeah, take paper. But they have already committed contempt. They've already breached all these things before now. So we are asking, why did you breach it? Why did you refuse to respect the law? So they have been the one forcing a situation of fait accompli on us. They've made it impossible for us to consult with Nnamdi Kanu. You can imagine where you are asking your question, your client how to go about his defense, and they are busy around you listening. And then not only that, they will not allow you to take notes. Imagine where you have such long conversation of like 2 hours and you cannot write anything. You can't remember everything. You can. So because of this, we brought that those applications, but the judge says she has not seen it, but it's in her file. And then she now said she will look at the file after the court had risen. Then the prosecution is saying that they were just served today. You know, all these things are not the truth. They are not the truth. But we are resolute, we are determined, we are focused on it. They must be taught to obey rules of court. Look at the orders and judgments that have been gotten on behalf of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. From Enugu, from Umuahia, from everywhere, from Geneva, from international partners. They have refused to obey even one. Even one, they refuse to obey. And then they want us to continue to go into trial. What is the guarantee that if trial is carried on and we succeed in bringing him out, they will obey it?
Yeah.
So
I think that's about it. That's what Umu Chineke needs to do. Umu Chineke ndewo no. I ko chinchem. Nnamdi Kanu's legal team was rugede. And when he megano, no fair trial, no trial. Hacho hapwa ka bankata otu my colleague is we. Mana emansi na azu uno we convict Nnamdi Kanu. He can't go behind us. I am ankwe. Ndewo no. Thank you.
We are still at Federal High Court, Abuja. As you can see, today is 19th June 2024. You heard what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu lawyer said concerning today's court case.
Yeah, okay, this is TBC, yes.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, this is an update of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu court today and waiting in talk for inside court. Can't give the people where they buy people for inside Southeast. My people, as it be like this now, we go look, see what thing go happen. A lot of people don't talk, say no, they no go agree. A lot of people say, the buy go continue until they go leave am. Even you get the video where I go show you when they talk, say, I will say in that side, this thing no go be like this. So now the lawyers come tell and say, only you feel talk, waiting people feel here because they don't try to write paper, they don't try to talk, come outside. Nobody listen to them. My people, I go bring that video come more in next video. May you see waiting the talk for inside that side. Please, this one way you don't watch, may you try share them so that other people go get the information. I saw you say I dey bring the news for you later because due to our technical issues we will get today. But however, we still don't dey here. They bring a back to back up there. Please share and make sure say you subscribe to this channel and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Tell us what you think for what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu talk today.